Hey, it's Deanna with BaxterBoo.com, and we're here today to take a closer look at the Guardian Gear Reflective Raincoat in pink. Now this pink is really great because this polyester material is really going to help keep your pet dry, especially when it's raining outside. Whenever you take your dog out on nightly walks, these reflective stripes right here and then one here in the front are going to really let people know that, hey, there's a dog here and they need to slow down in their car or be careful because we want you to protect your baby just as much as you possibly can. But this is going to help to warn people that there's a dog so that they know to look out. And of course, I'm biased towards the pink color because pink's my favorite color. But it does come in this pretty pink color. It has a pocket back here in the back so that way you can put treats in here, you can put doggy poo bags or whatever you like. You put it in there and it will really help protect it from the rain. It does help protect your house because with your dog getting as least wet as possible, you won't have that yucky wet dog smell in your house. Now it is made to fit over the head with the hood, and what the hood's going to do is really protect the ears to make sure that the rain and water don't get in your dog's ears. If you find that you want your hood to be a little bit tighter, they do have these drawstrings that you can pull and then tie up, and I always suggest putting them back in the hood because I have a puppy that loves to chew on everything, and that's really going to help protect them, their teeth, so that way they don't help chew on it. But if you tie it and then put it back in the hood. So this raincoat is really going to help protect against the rain and just keep them dry and cozy as you're out on those walks. So this is the Guardian Gear Reflective Raincoat in pink.